On the night of 23rd July 2023, a body was found on the banks of the river Wahumkhrah, situated at Block C1 of Mawlai, Ïewrynghep, Shillong. As per sources, the unidentified middle-aged male individual had jumped off the railings onto the river below. After being informed on the incident, the police of the Mawlai police station arrived on the spot, but due to the complicated terrain, the body was retrieved only after the arrival of the fire service search and rescue team. Till the filing of this report, investigation is ongoing to find out the identity of the deceased and the reason behind his death.
Lus kabul lus kat aro lus deh ayo di ba kai oi ko tak kasi mo tak ha tak bangon gilim na ini salban aro oi ko tak kai ko kai ka mo lumbo deh wajak dia siap tak lus kalau bisa lus oh bas samsuk daun bisa ya aku bisa tak ka basa angni ba ko bas oke agjang jok lus lemak saya